Mfana Sekhaya go na le artist e nngwe Sione tlo feleletsa career Mfana Sekhaya e bolaya thukuthoko Sione go na le artist e nngwe Mfana Sekhaya ya mosadi e tla ka bohale Mfana Sekhaya ya a itshwanele tse dingwe moruti artist e la mara le yona o itritile biaka tse dingwe Mfana Sekhaya moruti o na le 3 months phori lente Mfana Sekhaya o na le only 3 months to make things right Mfana Sekhaya o ska dlala ka ntwana tse nyane Sione Mfana Sekhaya o ska dlala ka ntwana tse di zamang bophelo Mfana Sekhaya o ska shaya dintwana o na le o mongwe wa mosadi o tla ka bohale moruti motlhokomele Mfana Sekhaya o bolaya career ya hao thoko patela artist e nngwe le nngwe e kolotang Sione Mfana Sekhaya don't ask questions ebile o ska tsentsa meeting ene o ska tsentsa anything e ile gore re tlo tsamaisana le meeting he o itse rona le artist o ikolota moruti ipatele Sione don't ask questions Mfana Sekhaya Sione Zion ona le only 3 months Mfana Sekhaya mo South Africa to make things right Mfana Sekhaya ona le group e nngwe moruti ka mo governmenteng ona le group e nngwe ya di lawyer Sione ona le group e nngwe ya di advocate Mfana Sekhaya e khobukantsa bafana bo botlhe ba nkileng wa ba ropa ka mo morago kapa wa se ba fedisa ka tsa bona moruti group yela o ka se re sele lo o ka ba le bokae le o ka tshwara bokae Mfana Sekhaya make things right phori Mfana Sekhaya Mfana Semzini ya Sunny Boy Sikowe Themba Sunny Boy Sikowe make things right Sione bele ishile Mfana Sekhaya make things right moruti piempietishi ile Mfana Sekhaya Sione ira dilo right Mfana Sekhaya nakana ishile o setse hanyane Mfana Sekhaya ona lo mongwe a tlang a sa tshwaneng le ba bang o bolaya career ya hao thoko ona le 3 months Grootman laka
Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. Of course, currently trending would have to be DJ Maphorisa after the Deborah G Mashego saga. You guys, we saw Deborah of course breaking down on a live, making very serious allegations about DJ Maphorisa. Now this prophet just went to TikTok to do this prophecy, and according to him there will be a female artist who's already signed by DJ Maphorisa, and that female artist will definitely be making Phori's life a living hell. He says that, you know what, make things right and pay this lady before it is too late, because she too is planning something huge with his career. She is planning to take DJ Maphorisa down, because we do know there's been a lot of reports whereby DJ Maphorisa has been accused of exploiting these young artists, and at some point he did come on social media to say that, you know what, he paid them what he thinks they are worth. There's this one particular video where he says that with whose electricity, with whose equipment, meaning that he deserves each and every royalty he gets. Now this guy said that DJ Maphorisa, you better do right by this lady, do right before 3 months, because if 3 months passes, then you will definitely be facing the wrath of your actions. Now he also says that the young artists that you robbed and scammed and exploited, they are busy with some lawyers. A group of lawyers are busy cooking up something pro bono to work with those guys to take you down. So he says that DJ Maphorisa better fix his life. He better pay each and every artist that he has exploited, because he sees something huge coming, and that thing will definitely be destroying his career. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also make sure sure, of course, that you do like this video and do share it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.